The necessity for this building is that it isn't just a stage. We are much more than just a stage. So our space needs to remain as functional and as flexible as possible. So a lot of thought and a lot of recommendations came via Hussey.
We were approached for this project, and being honest, the fact that our competitors said it couldn't be done was an extra challenge for us, and we wanted to achieve it.
From our perspective as installers, it was a beautiful job to work on because it wasn't standard. Nothing was standard, so it was interesting.
The confidence level that Hussey actually came back with made us proceed with it, and the reality is that we have a one-piece retractable seating unit on really quite a severe angle that works.
We want the customer to be happy, and that it's designed to be as rigid and structurally sound and working as efficiently as possible.
I always say to the guy, install it like you're doing that job in your home. You want it done correctly, and that's what I think the guys do. At the end of the day, it's the finish and how it works for the client. The quality shows itself.
We are a conference venue, we're an events venue. We have ice skating rings, we have roller skating, we have cars in the building, we have exhibitions, and we do these things regularly all the way through the year. And we do achieve all of these things. I feel very pleased that we are hitting, if not every single one of them, but a good proportion of it for our customers going forward.
This is our key strength, basically, delivering, a totally customer-orientated design. And for us, every project is special